How to care for clip-in hair extensions. The ultimate glow-up routine in 2026. Clip-in hair extensions are undeniably the chameleon of the beauty world. They offer the magical ability to transform a bob into waist-length mermaid waves or add celebrity-level volume in a matter of minutes. However, unlike the hair growing from your scalp, extensions don't have a natural supply of nutrients and oils to keep them healthy. This means that without a proper maintenance routine, even the most luxurious set can turn dry, brittle, and tangled. The secret to flawless hair isn't just buying it, it's maintaining it. If you are wondering how to care for clip-in hair extensions to keep them looking salon fresh for months, or even years, you have come to the right place. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the professional, glow-up routine for 2025, covering everything from washing and styling to storage and damage prevention. https://how-to-care-for-clip-in-hair-extensions/ #how-to-care for clip-in hair extensions. #clip-in hair extensions. #high-quality extensions. #how long do clip-in hair extensions last. #raw hair luxury.